2025 U.S. Luxury Bedroom Trends. Modern designs with bright colors and bold dark line accents. In 2025, U.S. luxury bedroom design trends embrace a bold interplay of modern aesthetics, vivid colors, and striking dark line accents, crafting environments that are both visually stunning and deeply personalized. This trend represents a shift in luxury design where the use of color and structural detailing becomes a form of personal expression. Interiors are awash with bright, dynamic hues like electric oranges, sultry purples, and rich teal blues, each selected for their ability to energize and invigorate. These vibrant colors extend beyond mere wall applications. They permeate every element of the bedroom, from luxurious upholstered headboards to stylish area rugs and curtains, establishing a lively ambience that's both inviting and stimulating. Complementing these lively colors are bold dark line accents, crucial for adding definition and depth to the design. These accents manifest as sleek black or deep wood tones in elements such as window trims, furniture outlines, and intricate patterns in textiles and lighting fixtures. The juxtaposition of these dark lines against bright backgrounds adds a sense of drama and sophistication, creating a captivating visual contrast that draws the eye and provides a cohesive structure to the room's design. This sophisticated balancing act ensures that every component of the room contributes to a harmonious yet dynamic visual narrative. Moreover, the 2025 luxury bedroom is a testament to technological advancement, with smart systems seamlessly woven into the fabric of design. Voice-activated lighting, climate controls, and adaptive smart displays are only a few of the technological innovations enhancing convenience and personalization. Such integration allows for superior control over ambience and functionality, making the bedroom a hub of comfort and modern living. Additionally, there's a conscious shift towards sustainability without sacrificing style. Designers are increasingly opting for eco-friendly materials such as recycled metals, sustainably sourced woods, and organic textiles, reflecting an awareness of environmental responsibilities. This commitment to sustainability is echoed in biophilic design elements that incorporate natural greenery, enhancing the room's tranquility and appeal. Personalized touches, ranging from custom artwork to heirloom furniture, ensure that while the framework of these trends might be universal, the execution remains uniquely individual. As a result, 2025's luxury bedroom trends redefine personal spaces as vibrant, technologically sophisticated sanctuaries that celebrate both individuality and forward-thinking design.